In this tutorial, you will see how I made this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Now I have to insert some picture as a background. Here, let me go to insert, go to picture, go to this device. Let me select this picture and click on insert. And you may cut the picture using the Ctrl X button and go to design, go to format background, go to picture or texture fill and click on clipboard. And this is perfect. The picture is used as a background. Now let me click on right button and make it duplicate slide, and here click on insert. From file, let me insert another picture as a background. Click on insert, make another duplicate, go to insert and choose the picture, doing the same task. Now my picture adding task is completed. Now I have to insert some shapes. Click on insert, go to shape. Now let me go my first slide, go to insert, go to shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and drag it over here like this, and use yellow button to make it sharp, and go to shape outline, make it no outline, and press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here, and again press Ctrl D to duplicate, and select all of this and place it here, and go to effect, go to shadow and click on offset center and change the transparency to 0%, change the blur to 60%, and go to fill, click on slide background fill and change the size of the rectangle like this. Go to shape format, go to align, click on align middle and place it like this. Now Ctrl C to copy and paste it all of the slides. Now go my second slide and rearrange it like this. Then it will look attractive. Select all of this, go to shape format, align, click on align middle. Go to this one, select all of this, shape format, align middle, and go to this one and go this one and select all of this, go to shape format, align middle, go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to shape outline, make it no outline, go to gradient fill and delete these stops and these stops, only keep 2 stops, and select this one and make it dark color. Select this point and make it again dark color. Then select this point and transparency will be 100% and go to direction and select linear left. Now let me select the rectangle and send it to back. Now let me copy the rectangle and paste it. This slide, this one, here, also here, and click on right button and send it to back. Now go my first slide and I have to insert those picture again. Go to this device, let me select all of this, click on insert, let me zoom out and place it here. Select this one, go to picture format, crop, make it 1:1 and place it here. Select this one, crop, aspect ratio 1:1, place it here, crop, aspect ratio 1:1, place it here. Now let me select all of this, go to picture format, go to crop, crop to shape, click on oval and go to height and width and make it 1 inch. Now let me select all of this and place it here. Let me zoom in and place it according to your picture. Here is my first picture, then this one, then this one, then this one, again this one and this one. Let me select all of this picture format, click on distribute vertically and go to view and click on guides and place it here. Ctrl C to copy and paste every slide. Now go my first slide. Let me select this one, picture format, make it 2 point. Select this, place it here and let me select this one over here like this and select all of this. Go to picture format, align, make it distribute horizontally. Go to this slide, place this one like this, select this one and make it 2 point. Select all of this, picture format, align, distribute vertically. Now I am doing the same task for every slide. Now I have done the same task for every slide. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and write your text here. Change the font and the font color and increase the font size. Again go to insert, shape, pick or drag it over here. Write your description here. Select the text, change the font, change the font color, decrease the font size and place it like this. And let me select this text box, Ctrl C to copy and paste all of the slides. Now let me select all of this slide and go to transition and click on morph. Now let me watch the slideshow. This is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.